Today, 95% of the world is now covered by mobile broadband networks. However, 40% or 3.2 billion people live within the footprint of a mobile broadband network but are not using mobile internet. These populations face several barriers that prevent them getting online. This is known as the usage gap, which is causing a digital divide. If we do not close this digital divide, this creates the risk of a more fractured society, with certain segments of the population left behind and excluded from the digital economy. Those who are unconnected are more likely to be poorer or less educated, be older, or have a disability. They're also more likely to be female. Avoiding this outcome requires mobile operators, governments, and international organizations to work together and support efforts to expand digital inclusion and address the barriers that contribute to this divide. Barriers like lack of digital skills and literacy, and lack of awareness and understanding of mobile internet and its benefits, inability to afford devices, data plans, or other service fees, lack of relevant content, products and services that meet users' needs and capabilities, concerns about the negative aspects and risks of mobile and the internet, such as harassment, theft, fraud, and online security, lack of access to networks and enablers, such as internet-enabled handsets, agents and formal IDs, or devices and services that are not accessible or easy to use. Public-private partnerships are crucial to addressing these barriers. In Bangladesh, Robi Axiata, along with the Bangladesh government's ICT division and Huawei, provided ICT training to women using 6 digital mobile training buses, which have trained more than 63,000 women to date. Working with the governments of British Columbia and Alberta, mobile operator TELUS launched Internet for Good, a first-of-its-kind initiative in Canada, which allowed low-income single-parent families to receive high-speed broadband with 350 gigabytes of data for less than $10 a month. TELUS has reached 33,000 people, with a view to expand the program to include other low-income segments of the population. Working together, we can remove barriers to mobile internet adoption, which will boost economic recovery, improve social mobility and gender equality, and transform the lives of millions worldwide. We call on governments and organizations across the planet to work alongside the mobile industry to make digital inclusion a genuine priority. For collaborations and to find out more, visit gsma.com/digital inclusion.